Healthcare workers desperate for protective gear against the COVID-19 virus are getting help. Some members of the faith community are part of a national movement of seamstresses making masks. As 41 Action News anchor Cynthia Newsome explains, they are in the shadows, saving lives one stitch at a time.
The gentle cadence of the sewing machine is the sound of purpose meeting passion.
I mean, that's the way America is. We roll up our sleeves and we just do whatever we can to help.
That is so important that we not give up and be paralyzed with fear, but figure out what you can do and then do it.
This is about more than sewing two pieces of cloth together to make a mask. It's about people of faith sowing seeds of love, connecting with strangers in need.
Hopefully, hopefully they'll receive these and realize they are thought of, and that people do care.
Nancy Douglas and Barbara Yerganian are two of 75 seamstresses at Fellowship Church in Greenwood and Raymore. They are part of the national movement of people making face masks to protect healthcare workers.
It's gratitude that they are on the front lines and they give of themselves. They're so giving. They've devoted their lives to saving lives, even putting theirs at risk.
Armed with needles, thread, and fierce determination, they are constructing hundreds of mini fabric blockades to stop the spread of COVID-19.
They're actually inserted inside the mask at the top, and when the wearer puts it on, they actually form it across the bridge of their nose so it fits tightly across the top of their face. And then there's a little pocket that's sewn in here where you can place a filter.
Some masks have filters, some don't, and they are not medical grade PPEs.
They're not going to be the best that you can get, but they are something until they get their top quality PPE.
The mother of the young lady that I sent a mask to today was grateful. And I say a prayer over each one.
For the person wearing the mask and for the patient. Cynthia Newsome, 41 Action News.
Wow. More help for workers on the front lines of this pandemic, this time from the business community. Made in KC partnering with Sandlot Goods ought to provide cotton face masks and plastic face shields to doctors and nurses. So far, employees at Sandlot Goods, they've made more than 600 masks. Chad Hickman owns Sandlot Goods. He talked about why he thought his company could make a difference.
With our specific skills in sewing, that we might be able to, instead of make 15 at a time and send them in, that we could make thousands at a time, and hopefully get some people back to work, and so they're not just, so they're not having to file for unemployment or just sitting at home. It's just doing some good.
Made in KC and Sandlot, they're enlisting people to sew from home to make the standard requirements for these masks. To learn more, check out our website at kshp.com. Folks,